here in the shop today.
We're just gonna put a pro charger on it.
Gotta hit on this, man. You got two out there, you're in the tent. Can't say what they are.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out here at the Wolves Den Private Day. We got Georgie out here representing. He's gonna ride with me.
Sure.
We got Brian out here from Gas. We got my old vet out here. We got Jim's vet. We got Jim's other vet. And we got Jim's friend's vet. And we're all about to go out and hit it. We got my boy Jim out here. Let's tell him thanks for having us out, bro.
Of course, man. I'm glad to do it, man. Love seeing you, bro.
We're about to go send it in the rain.
I'm trying to learn something from the professionals, you know, like you, bro.
Let's go. I'll ride with you later.
Alright.
Alright, so we're gonna get in the car, let this thing warm up, and then we're going to get out on this wet track and see what we can do. So let's get to it. What's up? Let's go. First lap. Hey guys, so we took a few laps. It was super wet out here, but we're having a good time. Now we got used to the track, so we're gonna take some more laps and get back to it.
Let's go.
Let's go.
It's fun.
It's definitely fun.
I like when it's raining. It's like a slow-mo drifting.
Yeah.
It is fun.
Yeah, it's definitely slow-mo sliding. It's definitely like sliding go-karts, but we're gonna get back at it, so let's get back out there. Let's go. was a thunderstorm warning, so it actually started raining a lot more. But we're gonna just keep on driving. So let's get back out there.
Can't see anything.
Alright, so we're gonna take some laps with Brian from Gas. Let's go.
Let's shred, baby, in the super wet. Hopefully we didn't lose the skirt on that one. She's still there, buddy. Got a little muddy though. Whew. All right, I think we'll do a follow with Josh.
Alright.
I like the quick little squiggle in the entry right here. What do you do there? False alarm.
That was fun.
It is fun. The quick little entry right there is a little different just because of the rain.
Yeah. Yeah. All this water, bro.
Oh my gosh, it's all in my eyeballs.
Hell yeah.
Woo.
Let's go. Hell yeah.
I'm gonna let her chill for a little bit.
These two.
We're gonna teach him how to do some donuts.
Richie, you're back in the vet. How's it feel, buddy? Right? It's like you never left. I was telling them, like, we're doing this. The first, like, 20 minutes is terrifying. And once you, like, get into something, you're like, oh, it's, like, super, super easy. You just gotta get past that, like.
Alright, so we took a whole bunch of ride-alongs. It was raining, it stopped raining, now it's not raining again, so we're gonna take some people on some ride-alongs, so let's get to it.
forgot he was the driver. I just got soaked. Hell yeah. That was so much fun. Hell yeah.
That was nice.
Yeah.
That was nice.
Oh, hell yeah.
All right, so that's it for the private day. We're about to get out of here. We want to thank Jim for having us out.
Thanks for coming, man. It's always a blessing. Also, we got a celebrity in house.
Yeah, we
Mr.
had
German Autosport. Brian came by.
Time today.
Yeah, we had a bunch of tandems with Brian playing in the rain. Had
Yeah,
a
it was
great
fun.
time.
It was
I was trying to learn how to follow a little bit better. I was
Making some
picking
good
it
progress,
up.
though.
Yeah, I was trying,
Car
but
feels good.
yeah.
Sick.
But yeah, if you guys need any work done on your car, hit up Gas.
You
And
want to do 120 laps on a private day?
hit
You
us
know where
up.
to find us.
Let's
Yeah.
go.
Sick.
All right, we'll see you on the next one.
For sure.
Let's
Later,
go.
guys.